You have tried affiliate marketing using other social media platforms, but you failed. You understand? Now, here's the trick about affiliate marketing. For you to be successful as an affiliate, all you have to do is to, first of all, you build an audience on TikTok. Once you build an audience on TikTok, then you find a product to promote to them as regards the niche that you're promoting. You understand? Let's say you're on the dog niche. Let's say you're posting videos about dog. You understand? Now, once you're posting video about dog and you have gotten up to, let's say, 1,000 followers, which means you have 1,000 people following you because they like the content that you're putting out there on TikTok. You understand? That way you can promote a dog feed, a dog food for them. You understand? A dog food, a dog socks. You can go to Amazon or other big platforms, you understand, like eBay. You see all these products. All you have to do is just to sign up as an affiliate. Once you sign up as an affiliate, then you can collect your affiliate link. Then once they purchase through your link, just trust me, you get your own cut of the money. You understand? That's the first one. Now the second one, which I recommend, is it's mind-blowing. It's called Phenom, guys. Now, I know a lot of you don't know what Phenom is. Well, Phenom is a new platform that will help TikTokers next year, January 2025, to make a whole lot of money for themselves. Now, a lot of you will be saying, what is Phenom? How does it work? Now, Phenom is a platform where creators like you, like me, like you, that is a creator, if you're a creator, or other big creators on TikTok, they can come make videos about Phenom. Once they make videos about Phenom, they post it. Once they post it, Phenom is going to pay them 1,500 naira per 1,000 views that they get on TikTok. You understand? That is how it works. I mean, aside from the fact that you can monetize using TikTok, you can also monetize your Instagram account. And again, aside from the fact that you can monetize on TikTok and Instagram, even Facebook, you can also borrow money, guys. And the most interesting part about this is that you don't need a collateral. You don't need to bring your BVN, your NIN, your ID card. You don't need any of your personal information before you can borrow money on Phenom. All you have to do is just to register with the one-time fee of 8,000 naira. Once you register on Phenom, you'll be earning 3,000 naira separately every day. That will be your daily earnings on Phenom. And aside from that, once you borrow the money you want to borrow, you can borrow up to 1 million naira. Once you borrow the money, they won't rush you to pay. They won't rush you to pay up. You can pay instrumentally, and you can pay as low as a minimum of 3% per month, which means it's a very, very good thing. You understand? It's a very good thing. Now, the third on my list is called digital marketing. You understand? You can monetize your TikTok accounts with your own products. Let's say digital products. You are a video editor. You understand? I believe you know what video editing means. If you're a video editor and you know how to edit videos on your TikTok account, let's say you're posting about your video editing works. You understand? A lot of other creators, let's say creators on YouTube, they might see your work. They might be like, oh man, I love this thing that you're doing. I want your service. You understand? Then you sell your skill. You understand? You sell your skill and they pay you. And these companies, they pay no less than $200 upward. You understand? That is if you want to sell your skill. And aside from selling your skill, you can also package your skill as a course and sell to people who wants to learn how to edit videos. You understand? I mean, these are the 3 tips for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. You know I'm a young boy trying to grow on YouTube. You understand? You know what to do. Show your boy some love. Don't forget to like. And if you know you are from Ghana, so you're also looking for a way to make money on TikTok, don't worry, I got you covered. Phenom is the way out. All you have to do is just to chat me with the number you can see on your screen right now. Once you chat me, I'm going to put you through step by step how it works. You understand? See you guys. Peace.